can't teach an old dog new tricks. Never been done by me. I never seen it before.
The world is healing, because seeing Bam Margera step back on a skateboard reminds us that sometimes the things we love most can become the very anchor that helps pull our lives back into place when everything feels lost. After years defined by addiction, public struggles, and personal battles that seem to take him far away from the path that once made him one of the most influential figures of early 2000s skateboarding, Bam now appears to be reconnecting with the one thing that has always been at the core of who he is: skateboarding. Skateboarding gave him legendary video parts, unforgettable moments, and inspired an entire generation that grew up watching his unique style. But today, it seems to have become something even bigger. A way back, a source of purpose, and a foundation strong enough to help him rebuild. Every new clip of Bam on a board feels like more than just skateboarding or nostalgia. It feels like watching someone find their way home again. Sometimes going back to where it all started is not about looking behind. Sometimes it is exactly how we begin again.